how to add hyperlinks to Google Slides. First, open up Google Slides on your web browser. You can quickly do so by typing slides.new into your browser search bar and hit enter. Here, you can either choose to create a new presentation or select an existing one where you want to add the hyperlink. Now that our presentation is ready, let's select the resource where we're going to add the hyperlink. It can be a piece of text, a data chart, or even an image. Today we're going to add the hyperlink to a text. To do this, simply highlight the text you want to be clicked for redirection. Once your text is highlighted, head over to the top of the screen. Here, click on the Insert option available on the toolbar. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Link. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+K to get this done faster. Upon clicking Link, a dialog box will pop up. In this box, enter the URL of the website you want this text to redirect to. Make sure your link is correct to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've pasted your link, click Apply. There it is! Your text is now hyperlinked. When someone clicks on this text, they will be taken directly to the website you linked. You can add as many hyperlinks as you want in your presentation, making your content interactive and resourceful. And that's it.